What's up, guys? TompaBanana here for TompaBanana Creates. So I have my 3D printer here. Gonna try to make some room for it. So yeah, I'm gonna unplug the power. It's not connected either way, but just to more easily check it out. So yeah, this is the tube, and I'm gonna try to see if I can just remove this somehow. I think I'm gonna go get the flashlight. Okay, see if I can see more easily. To remove the, it's just on. It should be easy. I just need to get to it. I guess it's easier if it's lower down, but I don't know if I can manually. Nope, just guess the need. Oh, here we go. Gonna carefully try to do that so I don't break anything. Come on. Why are you stuck? Huh. So when it's connected in this on the side, it's very easy to just pull it down and whoop. But somehow, even though the connection seems to be the same, it doesn't really do that here. Don't really know why. Yeah, it's really stuck in there. Why? Why? Seems to be the same connection. Well, I guess I have to read the manual. So yeah, I didn't see anything in the manual, probably because it's too easy. But maybe I'm thinking maybe it got stuck because it sort of melted in here somehow. And I took the tube out and just tested to use a filament and just sort of see how stiff it is. But yeah, it gets better and better the more the more I do the dirty with the filament here. Oops, that was not good. Oh no. Uh-oh. That was not a good idea. Huh. Maybe, hang on, maybe I can get that out. Maybe not. I'm gonna put the power on and see if I can do something about that. So I don't think you can see it either way, but the nozzle there is covered in a lot of goo, so I'm gonna try to just clean that off, or goo, but yeah, you know, PLA filament material. How hot are you starting to get? Not hot at all. Can I remove the retract the filament that got stuck in here? Yeah, that way. Nozzle is 38 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees. Ugh. I don't like that it's making that sound. It didn't sound that awful. Well, it did sound that awful before I started to check it out. So maybe there is something wrong with it, but yeah. Didn't do that sound from the beginning at least. Sounds like it's dying. See if the... Yeah, starting to get hotter. Good. Come on, little baby. Be a good boy. Gonna see if I can just wipe some of it off. Not the easiest to do, I guess, but yeah, I'm getting some of the goo off. Ooh, not too much water. Water in and electronics, not a good combination. Come on. Ah, damn it. It's sort of hard to get it off the nozzle because it just keeps on going to the nozzle, getting stuck to the nozzle. I'm just gonna use the flashlight to see if I... No, still a lot of it there. Maybe I need to sort of take off the whole thing. I don't know. Yeah, got some of it off there. You see the goo there. At least I got some of it off. Let's see if I can get some more off. So I'm not doing it the right way, probably, like 99% sure I'm not doing it right way. So this is how not to clean your 3D printer, I guess. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, that will have to be good enough, I think. So let's see if I got the filament out a little bit here. No, still in there, I think. Damn it. Can I get that out with a pliers? Some kind of pliers. Let's see if I can reach that. Probably not. Man, it's stuck like... can't really get the camera to focus, but sort of stuck right in the end of the nozzle, or the tube. I mean, not the nozzle, the tube thingy there. So maybe I should just experiment with trying to just pump it through. We'll see. Hang on. So I got some wood filament here. Just gonna try to get that through. Yeah, no problem. Let's see. Let's feed that through and see what happens. What's it getting stuck? There we go. And my print bed is starting to get sort of torn up. Maybe I can just I was scratching my legs, if you were wondering what the sound was. I was not taking a dump. But yeah. Maybe I need a new print area on the magnet board here. We'll see. Yes, I should put that back for now. Yeah, the nozzle looks cleaner, but still not 100%, I guess. Maybe I need something to more scrape it off with. Or maybe that one. Maybe this one. Just to scrape it off a little bit. Seems to can't really show you, I think, but yeah, you probably probably can see some of it. It seems to yeah, it's doing something weird there. I don't know if you can see, but maybe that's because I'm keep messing with it. But now it seems to at least flow nice and clear there. And yeah, I think it was a lot of old filament in there, because it's only see-through. How do you say? Well, not wood. So seems to be flowing a lot better now, at least. I'm making a sculpture, so you can see there. Now the wood. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, but now the wood filament starts to get through there. Okay. I'm wondering, maybe I should just print something small just to test it out. Okay, I'm gonna switch up the camera. Sorry for the motion sickness here. See if it will focus. Nope. Does not want to focus. Okay, guess I will just hold it for now, and I'm hitting print, and then I'm gonna try to find articulated slug somewhere. There it is. It's the bottom. Why can't the camera? Hang on. Yeah, so hopefully it will sort of focus here. Just turned off autofocus. So the flowing problem seems to be solved. somewhat at least, but I will see how the print bed will behave. I'm going to show you what I mean, hopefully. That it sort of prints in the air. Sorry about loud sounds here, but maybe because the camera sort of picks up lots of sounds here, so we'll see if this works. But it sort of prints about 1 centimeter above the printing area. Let's see if I can get it to. Let's see if it works this time. Oh, oops. The camera there. Sorry about that. Not the most professional filming job here, but yeah. Gonna see if I can just have the camera here somewhere maybe. Oops, no. A little bit higher. I have something more. I'm gonna pause the video again. Yeah, I guess this will have to do. So let's see how it will behave. The temperature is now yeah, it's 215. Yeah, good. So no, you see that. Hopefully you can see that. No, you can't see that. Sorry. Damn it. There. Now you can see that it's a lot way above the print bed there, so it doesn't really. But maybe that's talk to a friend that has had 3D printers for many years, and I didn't think I needed to check that with this printer because it's always sort of worked. It always sort of found its right height. But yeah, as you can see, it doesn't really do that now. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the print, and let's see if I can calibrate that somehow. So gonna go to the settings. I'm not gonna switch off the camera. You just have to watch that boring view for now. Or I guess I could try to get the camera flying here and see if I can. Yeah, sort of works. Control. I don't know if it's this. It's doing something. I don't know what. So yeah, still not touching. So I. Oh right. How do I? Does it do anything? Or is that left and right and up? Not up and down, I guess. But I don't know what this setup is. Yeah, it goes up and down. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can see it. It's sort of hard to film it, but it goes down now. So I'm just gonna see if I can Don't really know how much I need to do it, but if it sort of stops by itself, or am I gonna press it down through the print bed? Does it go anymore? Yeah, it still goes. So yeah, that's sort of disconcerting. So which is the maybe there? I don't know. Huh. It's sort of hard to see. No, that's up again. Down, down, down. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm gonna try that. Good enough. And then print again, I guess. So, as I said earlier, don't look for me for advice. I have no idea what I'm doing, but yeah. We'll see if it works. Kind of interesting to see, at least. If I can get it somewhat working again. With my limited knowledge about 3D printers. And most stuff in general, I guess. But one good thing is that if it can survive me, it can survive the most things in the world. That sound doesn't look... It makes some weird noises compared to what it did in the beginning, but yeah. Let's see if it works now. So this is either a 9-minute print job or 11 minutes print job, so it's very tiny, and it's called the articulated slug. It's not my model. I just downloaded from Thingiverse, and if you check my channel, you can see the video. I think it's one of the earlier videos. You can see a link to download it, and the original author. Sorry, English. But yeah, I'm gonna pause it again because I think it takes a while before it gets heated again. Okay, so it started. Let's see if you can see anything. I don't know if you can see that, but don't know if I can see it even. But I think it's... Yeah, it's pressing too much, I think. Yeah. Let's see if it's... Yeah, I'm gonna stop it. So I think I will take it up just tiny little amount, I guess. Let's see. Control, I think. Z-offset setting. Yeah, right. Maybe it should be allowed to. Oops, sorry. I'm too impatient. Are you done? Can I sort of touchy? Yeah. No, cannot touchy. Can I? No. Oh, the nozzle came in. No fingers there. Don't touch it. Yeah, I should have removed that before. Whatever. before I put the... Oh no! Now it's gonna think that... Ooh. Yeah. That was a problem. How do I... Can I abort this? I'm just gonna set it for... I think it was minus 7.10, so I'm gonna set it for... I guess... which is which? Is that down? Yeah. So 710, maybe 7. Could that be good? God damn it! I can't see a thing. So dark in here. Maybe I'm gonna try 635. Man, I have no idea, as I said, what I'm doing. So yeah, probably a lot easier if you know what you're doing. Can you please go up there so I can just clean that off? Thank you. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's sort of scratched the paper there, so I don't think it. I think it was way too tight on the surface. That's my theory, at least. So one thing you shouldn't do is what I'm doing, which is having my fingers everywhere. But I'm an what's it called? Impatient boy. Wow, already 27 minutes, so long and boring video. Sorry about that, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna pause it. So I'm thinking about this surface here. I wonder if you can use masking tape, if that's sort of the same thing. Oh, oh no! Why did you? Did I F that up, or did the machine sort of move the whole area? Huh, that's weird. Yeah, stop it again, I guess. This goes good. So, yeah. Okay, so I ended up changing the Z axis thingamabob again. I think it was 580 this time. I don't know. So I switched this the other way around because it sort of scratched up the starting area there. Don't know if that's bad or not, but didn't want to take a chance with that. So what I did say earlier, I'm wondering if you can use masking tape just to cover the magnet plate up, or if that's bad. What the hell are you doing now? Why aren't you... Okay, maybe now it's going down all the way. Go down. Go down. No, go down. What? Oh. Okay. Why aren't it going down the whole way now? Okay, this is gonna be interesting. So tip when you clean the nozzle, don't do like I did, which is do it from one side only with the like wet cloth. I think it's easier if you try to just go around the whole nozzle and just pull down, because otherwise you just smear it around, I feel, like I did. Okay, let's see what it does. No, it moves the print bed. That's not good. I think it's sort of, yeah, I think it's too, no, it's not even touching the print bed, I feel. Or is it? Huh, weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go for a few minutes here and see what it does. So at least it hasn't moved more. You can see that it's off the metal plate there, but it hasn't moved. At least I can't see if it's moved less than a millimeter. So I don't think it's moving now, at least. But yeah, I don't know why if it's pressing too hard or whatever it is, but don't really like that it's moving. That's kind of disconcerting. Or concerning, well, yeah, whatever. English, you know. But I really need to fix the paper there on the area so it doesn't ruin the magnet plate. I don't know if it can ruin it, but either way the prints are not gonna get good enough. There was one more of this paper stickers in the package, but I used this for this one. So yeah, need to buy some more or use, as I said, the masking tape. If I can use, maybe I can find some more like wider masking tape, so so the printhead doesn't like undo the masking tape. I don't know. I'm gonna check if I can just buy some more of this rather than masking tape in the as a first solution, I guess. So yeah, the print seems to look nice at least. Don't know if this is gonna work because wood PLA I feel like is getting a little bit rougher than normal PLA, but we will see. Just gonna try to carefully remove this. Yeah, it's getting a little bit stuck, but I think I can remove it. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh no, I broke it. Whoopsie. But yeah, you can see that it's still flexible, so at least it works. I just need to be more careful taking it out of the mold. But yeah, it broke there. But this is actually smaller than the model I downloaded. I just made it even smaller in Weebuilder. So it's amazing that normally it works. Right now I just accidentally broke it when I took it out of the mold. But yeah, I feel like it sort of works again. I just need to get a new paper here so it doesn't look as scratched up like it does here. Don't really know why the print bed is moving. Maybe maybe the nozzle is like pressing down too much on the surface. I don't know, but yeah, at least it's working again. So I guess basically the solution is to the nozzle there. If you can, try to clean the nozzle off. Do it very carefully if you're using something with water, like the cloth I'm using or used, and try not do it as I did, just one area at a time, but rather try to wrap it around the nozzle. I feel like it's a better idea, and just carefully pull down, then you sort of smear the PLA down. Otherwise you just smear it around, it gets stuck to the nozzle again. Yeah, and yeah, I guess the other thing is just a normal thing. I guess that's for every 3D printer. My 3D printer has behaving very good, so I didn't think that you really needed to do this, but yeah, I guess it's just control Z-offset setting, and then just, yeah, dial this little thing until you feel like it's good enough, and then it sort of works. So yeah, I think my 3D printer is sort of working again. So guess it's just as once again it's human error, but yeah, I think it's good again. Good boy, good boy. Yeah, good boy. So yeah, gonna see if I can, as I said, try to clean this up a little bit, but hey, at least it seems to work again. So I guess this will be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.